Good evening, everyone. Today is 19/6 to 2025. That is, yesterday has given the notes on physical quantities as well as SI units for the physical quantities. You have to go through the notes. That is, I'm just in the short lecture. I've just pointed out for the VSQ and SAQ questions, because very short questions and long questions. The first is physical quantity. You have to difference between the physical quantity as per the law of physics. Only those who are mentioned, that is, you have to, I'll give you the today also I've given the 3 posts for the how many physical quantities are there. That is 7 basic physical quantities in there, and there is a standard I also units for the standard units are there, that you have to calculate. The derivation is based on both the things. That is, your physical quantities we have 7, and that is why SI unit they had given by the physics. So you have to just have, then the derivation is there. Derivation is there. We have to derive the what we have given what we given the number if you have newtons, how many variations, wavelengths, everything you have to understand the things. Then how many how that is it from the visibility part of that. How can you just have infinity and you can what is it define the things. We have to calculate till that things. That again I had just tell you the what is the proportion of 10. That's multiples and submultiples. Today I'll again give you the negative and what is positive part of that, because it's a Cartesian sign. In the 9th standard, 10th standard, you have to mug up that chart, because there is y where this possibility y we have written and on the negative side, and what is the plus point. On that basis only that is given the 10th. How will the multiples and submultiples we have taken. We have y left side is created as negative, and y right side is given the positive sides. Then again I have just posted with the Cartesian sign. With the coordinate geometry, why we have taken all these things. If you understand these, if you have to always find out the reason why it is given. What is y n1 and u2 u1 is equal to and n2 and u2, because we have to then again the half of that radius is always coming. You have to understand why we have taken all the things. In the law of reflection also, everything is related by the straight line method, perpendicular method. There is also the y parallel and perpendicular is that I'm again proving it. The 10 is also proved why we are taking the x 10 to the power of exponential, why we are taking all these things. Again I'm proving that why Cartesian, on the basis Cartesian sign, we have taking the straight line and perpendicular parallel axis. Everything today also I posted. Just go through and just have this things. You have to be thorough with all the things you have to calculate on